All right, let's finish up this last blade. All right, now we're going to move on to the last globe. And then put in the last bulb. And other than adding these little pull chains, this project should be done. I turned the power back on just so I could flip the switch and give it a try. So the lights work. They go on and off. And let's try these. All right, and there's the fan in action. All in all, it was not that hard of a project. It's just some of the things you got to have more than two hands to make it easier. But anyway, I hope this helps somebody, or I hope you enjoyed the video. Again, it's just for entertainment. I'm not an electrician. Not trying to teach anybody. This is just my experience with putting in the ceiling fan. I've got some more to put in. If there's any other things you'd like to see me do, just put it down in the comments. And thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.